How to use Meta AI apps. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can use that. So for that we will simply open Meta AI app. Now here you guys will see that type of interface. So for example, if you want to generate videos, images, you guys will click on that center one on downside. Once we click here you guys can see create a video from my photo, singing Shiba by. Like basically here you guys can create video from your photos, you guys can generate images, generate videos, and a lot of other things. Also you guys can see on down right side mic option. So when we click here we will speak whatever we want to tell Meta AI, and after that our talk will convert to text, so it will be more easy to save time. Also when we click on the glasses on downside, here you guys can connect Meta devices, and once you connect that it will connect with Meta AI app, and you guys can use the features of Meta AI app, but it was supported in some devices. So that's how you guys can use Meta AI app. Thanks for watching.